If you find yourself in a situation where it will be difficult to take your students outdoors to make observations around their school, Google Earth provides you a secondary option. Before using the Google Earth option, check that your school devices will run Google Earth. You may need to project Google Earth from your teacher computer if students' devices do not work. If so, gather your students around the projector screen so they can more easily make observations from the tour. To get started, navigate to www.googleearth.com/earth. In the upper right-hand corner, click the blue Launch Earth button. A new tab will open on your browser. To navigate to your location, use the search feature in the left-hand toolbar. It looks like a magnifying glass. Click the magnifying glass and type in your location. Google Earth will automatically take you to that location. You can also type in a specific street address for your school. To zoom in, down in the lower right-hand corner is a plus and minus. Press the plus to zoom in to your location. We are going to explore a high school in Chicago. You can move around in the world by using your trackpad on a laptop, or if you have a touch screen, you can also use that. Some locations, there is a 3D option. Other locations will only give you a 2D option. If you want to explore in 3D, click the 3D button down in the lower right-hand corner. That will change the perspective. Again, you can zoom in and out in 3D. You can also navigate around the world by grabbing the screen and moving it around. To exit 3D, click the 2D button in the lower right-hand corner. For making more detailed observations, you can move into ground level street view. To do this, select the person icon in the lower right-hand corner. This will highlight all the locations that will allow you to make street view observations. In some places, blue dots will appear. These note places that you can actually enter the inside of the building to make observations. So for this school, it looks like they have several ways to go inside the school and take a tour of the school building itself. For now, we're going to stay on the outside making outdoor observations. In order to move into Street View, click on a location that is highlighted in blue. This will take you down into Street View. Once you enter Street View, you can again turn and make observations from 360 degrees in your area. You can advance in the world by clicking on the white arrow buttons, and you can move around the world navigating and using those arrows, or you can exit Street View by clicking the person icon in the lower right-hand corner and selecting another place to move. Using Google Earth in this way will allow your students to make observations of how the land around them in their community and around their school has changed. This tool will also allow your students to make observations of the vegetation around their school. Unfortunately, Google Earth alone does not allow for making observations of insect or animal, bird life around the school. So a different tool will need to be used for that portion of the activity.